Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online learning with Udemy easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your online learning with Udemy, start by visiting the Udemy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and a secure password. After creating your account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, explore the homepage to discover popular courses. Use the search bar at the top to find specific subjects of interest. Narrow down your search by using the filters available like category, price, or rating. Click on a course title to view its details. Take a moment to read the course description and check out the curriculum. Look for student reviews and ratings to gauge the course quality. If you find a course that meets your needs, click on the Buy Now button. Proceed to checkout and enter your payment information. After completing the purchase, you'll be directed to your course dashboard. Locate your newly purchased course in the My Courses section. Click on the course to start learning right away. Utilize the resources offered in the course, such as video lectures and quizzes. Engage with the course community through discussion boards. Track your progress with the built-in progress tracker. Take notes and revisit any sections as needed for better understanding. Set aside regular study times to maintain a consistent learning schedule. Consider downloading the Udemy app for on-the-go learning. With these steps, you can effectively upgrade your online learning experience with Udemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.